Imagine stonework so precise it defies modern engineering. We're talking about cuts so perfect they could only be made with laser precision, yet they were crafted thousands of years ago. Welcome to Puma Punku. High in the Bolivian Altiplano, near the ancient city of Tiahuanaco, lie the enigmatic ruins of Puma Punku. What remains today are scattered fragments of what must have been an architectural marvel, a monument built by an unknown civilization long before the Inca Empire rose to power. But these aren't just any ruins. Examine the colossal blocks of andesite and diorite, stones incredibly hard, tougher than granite. We find features that bewilder archaeologists and engineers alike. Look closely at the infamous H-blocks or the massive multi-ton components. Their surfaces are perfectly flat, their edges razor-sharp, forming precise 90-degree angles. There are intricate notches, mortises, and tenons cut with such exactitude that they interlock without the need for mortar, a fit so tight you can't slide a razor blade between them. Some cuts even achieve tolerances less than a millimeter. How were these almost surgical incisions made? Conventional wisdom suggests ancient civilizations used primitive stone tools, pounding and grinding for countless hours. But the sheer scale and accuracy at Puma Punku demands something more. There's no evidence of metal tools capable of achieving such precision, no widespread use of the wheel for transport, and certainly no known technology that could handle these immense stones with such delicate artistry. This technological gap fuels one of history's greatest mysteries. Did an advanced civilization millennia ago possess a knowledge we've long forgotten? Perhaps they mastered a form of ancient engineering, a lost technology that allowed them to soften stone, or to cut it with sound, or even to move colossal weights with unheard-of methods. Some theorize geopolymer technology, a form of ancient concrete that could be poured and molded to mimic natural stone. But detailed analysis of the stones often reveals natural mineral structures, not manufactured composites. Others suggest a level of astronomical knowledge, geometry, and craftsmanship so advanced it borders on the incomprehensible, hinting at a global network of sophisticated cultures. The very destruction of Puma Punku adds another layer to the enigma. Why are these precisely engineered blocks so scattered and fractured? Was it a cataclysmic earthquake, a devastating flood, or perhaps a deliberate act of destruction? The site appears to have been violently torn apart, leaving behind a puzzle of broken pieces that once formed an extraordinary, perhaps even functional, machine-like structure. What purpose did this structure serve? A grand temple? An ancient port? An astronomical observatory? We can only speculate. Puma Punku stands as a silent challenge to our understanding of ancient capabilities. It forces us to ask if our historical narrative is incomplete, if a chapter detailing incredible ingenuity has been lost to time. The question remains, how did they achieve the impossible? Subscribe now to unlock more of history's greatest untold secrets.